Hello, Sarah. Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello, Sarah. Good evening. Can you hear me?
Good evening, teacher.
Yes, all right. Can you hear me well?
Yes,
Very good. Okay, how are you today, Sarah?
I'm happy.
Well, that's nice because you're happy. How's the weather today?
Yes, mm, sunny.
Oh,
It's
sunny.
a
That's really
sunny.
nice. It's a sunny day, so that means no rain for today, right?
Yes,
Yes, that's good. Because it's been a long time that you see Mr. Sun in your place, right? For the past, because recently in the past few days, like it has been raining so hard. Am I correct?
yes.
Yes. All right. So anyway, Sarah, if you can remember last Tuesday, we
Win
actually learned, um, we actually
is
learned,
Vietnamese word.
oh, say that again.
It's Vietnamese word. Wait. Why I can't draw?
Oh, you cannot draw? Are you sure?
Yes.
You can.
Ah,
Oh,
this
really?
this is
Oh,
Vietnamese
yeah,
word.
there. This one. Oh, which one? This one?
This one
This
is
one?
Vietnamese word.
Oh, Vietnamese book or food?
Word.
Food. Oh, all right. Is it yummy?
No, it's word. 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 It's a letter.
Ah, a word. Yes, so they are in Vietnamese, of course. Because this is actually a book where the Vietnamese teacher actually shared to me. So yeah, it's most of Vietnamese probably use it. Yes, some of them probably use it. That's why it's in Vietnamese too. Okay, so anyway, if you can remember last Tuesday, Sarah, we've read some profiles of these three children who are called Lucas, Alfie, and Grace. Okay, so this time I'm going to let you listen to the three profiles again. Then you write the correct name. So, for example, in number one, okay, look, Alfie is interested in doing a job related to his hobby. So, who is the person who is interested in doing a job related to his hobby? So this is actually Alfie. Let's try to look at Alfie. Alfie is the last person. Okay, my name's Alfie. I live with my mom, dad, and sister. Okay, and he mentioned that one of my biggest interests is film. I like watching movie. One day I'd like to work um to work in movie film like that. Okay, so here Alfie mentioned that he's interested in doing a job related to film. So that's Alfie. So this time, Sarah, I want you to listen, then write
Mm,
your answers. Okay, so look
okay.
for number two. Someone who is looking forward to learning a new activity. Three, someone who is learning a new skill with help from a relative. Four, agrees with other people about her personality. Five, would like to go to another country. And lastly, might get a prize soon. So this time, I will let you listen. Here it is, Sarah.
Track 3. Brian's High School. All about me.
Hi everyone, I'm Lucas. I live with my parents, my sister, and my two brothers. Some of my classmates think I'm quite serious, but I don't agree. I'm just a bit shy, and I'm quite independent. My main interest outside of school is computers and gaming, but I'm not just a gamer. Right now, I'm taking part in a competition for young game designers. So at weekends, I'm learning to code with my aunt. She's a professional coder. She's also a really patient teacher. I'm finding coding impossible at the moment.
Hello, I'm Grace. I live with my mum and dad. I'm an only child, so no brothers or sisters. My friends and family say I'm a cheerful person, and they're right. I think there's always something to smile about. In my free time, I'm into various typical teenage hobbies, but my favourite is sport. I'm in the school hockey and football teams, and this year I'm having tennis lessons. I'm really making progress, I think. In a few months, I'm going on a kayaking trip with my cousin. We've never done it before, but we're really excited.
My name's Alfie. I live with my mum, dad, and sister Melissa, right opposite the school. I'm quite friendly and funny, but I can be quite serious at times too. One of my biggest interests is film. Thrillers, drama, science fiction. I don't mind. I like watching them all. One day I think I'd like to work in film. This year I want to visit a film studio. There's one near London where all 8 Harry Potter films were made. My dream is to fly to Hollywood and see a studio there.
Track 3.
Right.
Brian's
Did you
High
listen
School.
well to that
All
one,
About Me.
Sarah? Did you listen well, Sarah?
Not yet.
Not. Okay. So this time, I will not let you listen anymore, but I'll just let you read so that you will be familiarized about each person. Okay, let's start with Lucas. Oh, do you want to listen or just read? What do you want, Sarah?
Read. I want to read.
Read. Okay, sure. Oh,
Hi
hi.
everyone. I am Lucas. I live with my parents, my sister, and my 2 brothers. Some of classmates think I'm quite serious, but I'm don't agree. I'm just a bit shy. I'm quite a, a independent. My main interest outside of school of computer and gaming, but I'm not just a gaming right now. I'm taking part into a competition for young game designer. So at weekend, I am learning to code with my aunt. She is a professional coder. She also a really practice teacher. I'm finding coding impossible at the moment.
All right. So, since you're done reading with Lucas, I will let you go back to the sentences in numbers 1 to 6. So, here, who is interested in doing a job related to his or her hobby? Is it Lucas? So, that's not Lucas. What about number 2? Is Lucas looking forward to learning a new activity? Or are there any sentences in here, Sarah, that describe Lucas?
Mm, Is is interested is in doing a job related to his hobby.
So that is Luca, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
All right. Actually, That is Alfie. It's not Lucas. Number one is a bonus. That is Alfie. Alfie is interested in doing a job related to his hobby, especially in making a film because he likes watching film. Okay, so now what sentences in here best match with Lucas? Sarah.
Um, mm, I don't know their name.
All right. So I'll just let you read it. I read with what's that? Read with Grace instead. Maybe you will find out the answers. Okay, look, hello, I'm Grace. Hello, Sarah.
Yes,
Oh, I want you to read Grace. Hello, I'm Grace.
I live with my mom and dad. I'm only child, so no brother or sister. My friend and family say I am cheerful person, and they're right. I think there's always something to smile about. In my free time, I'm into various typical teenage hobby, but my favorite is sport. I'm in the school hockey and polo team, football team, and this year I'm having tennis lessons. I'm really making progress. I think in a few months I'm going on a kayaking trip with my cousin. We have never done it before, but we are really excited.
All right, thank you so much for reading that one. Okay, so do you have answers now for Lucas and Grace, or do you want to read until Alfie?
Mm, Spurs.
Do you have answers now for numbers 2 to 6, Sarah, or not yet?
Number two is um can I see again?
Oh, you
I
want to see
forgot
it
it.
again? Here it is.
Okay.
All right, now are you ready to go back?
Okay.
Here it is.
Grace. Number two is Grace.
Great. Okay. Now what about number 3?
Number three is um, what is relay type?
Relative is a person that is related to you by blood. It could be your aunt, your uncle, your
Um,
cousin, your
is
grandpa,
Grace. Grace two.
Grace too. All right. What about number 4? So this person agrees with other people about his or her personality.
Yes.
What's your answer for that?
It Lucas.
Lucas. Okay. Now this time, I will let you read with Alfie. So you have AGGL. Now look at Alfie's profile. Okay, can you read? My name's Alfie.
My name is Elfie. I live with my mom, my dad, and sister, Miss Lisa, right opposite the school. I'm quite friendly and funny, but I will be quite serious at times. So one of my biggest interest is film, theater, drama, science fiction. I don't mind. I like watching it all. One day, I think I would like to work in movie film. I want to visit film studio. There's there is very near London where eight Harry Potter films were made. My dream is going is going to
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 Hollywood.
fly to Hollywood. I see a studio here there.
Yes, thank you for reading that one. Now, what is your answer for number 5?
Mm, it's airplane.
Alfie. Okay, then lastly with
So
number
I am
6.
sorry because uh in my head is a line up.
Oh, it's okay, Mai. No problem, Mai. Okay, now what about number 6? Sarah, what's your answer? Who is able to stay calm and not get angry, especially when something takes a long time? Oh, no, no, not that one. Number
Lucas,
6. Oh, sorry, we're still here. AGGLA. Okay, who like number 4? Number 4 that's done. Oh, I'm so confused now. Okay, let me put it back again. So we have letter G, G again for number 3, L for number 4, then A for here. Okay, who would like to go to another country? Yes, Sarah?
Lucas.
Lucas. So you put L in here. Okay, now what about in number 6? What's your answer? Who might get a prize soon? Who might get a prize soon? What's your answer, Sarah?
It's Lucas.
What's your answer, Sarah?
What number?
Number 6.
It's Lucas.
Lucas. All right, now let's check your answers. Okay, so number 1, let me put it here. So you said it's A, 2 it's G, G again, L, A, and L. Okay. So now let's check. So that's right. Number 1 is correct. It's Alfie who is interested in doing a job related to her Hi to his hobby. Then number two, very good. Grace is looking forward to learning a new activity. Three, Lucas is learning a new skill with help from a relative. Because Lucas actually mentioned that he is also working with coding with his aunt. So it is Lucas in number three. Okay, so number four, so you said that it's Lucas who agree with other people about his personality, but actually it is Grace, not Lucas. Okay, number five, who like to go to another country? Very good, you got it correct. It's Alfie. Then lastly, who might get a prize soon? So yes,
Oops.
that's Lucas. Very good. So how many correct answers have you got here? Oh, Lucas, that's Lucas. Agrees. Oh, you got um one, two, three, four. It's not bad. 4 out of 6 here, Sarah. Okay, so now since you joined already, okay, let's move on with number 5. So here in part 5, you are going to match the highlighted. When we say highlighted, examples of these are the words that are in bold or someone actually put a color on it that becomes a highlight so that we can easily spot it. So here are the highlighted words we have taking part. Code, patient, only child, I'm into, and making progress. So how many highlighted words are there, Mai?
Yes.
How many highlighted words are there?
Oh,
How many? Hello, Mai. How
hello,
many
teacher.
words are highlighted? Look at the screen. Can you see?
Yes. There are three.
There are actually 6. One,
Oh,
two, three, four,
three,
five,
four,
6.
five,
So
six.
there are 6 highlighted words. So this time, those 6 highlighted words, I'm going to take a picture of this. Then you are going to send it. I'm going to send it in the chat box in Zoom. Then you match it with its definition. Let's go back again here. So which phrase or word from the highlighted has the same meaning with their profile? Okay, look at number 1. So this word means that you are going to be involved in an activity with other people. So which word is that? Is that take part? Is that only child? Code? Patient? Making progress? Or I'm into? So what's your answer?
My inch.
I'm into. Okay. Actually, this is take part. When we say take part, that means that you're going to participate in a team. That's take part. Oh, I want to take part in this singing competition. That means that you are going to join in a singing competition. Okay, now what about number 2? Become better. So which from the highlighted words means the same with become better? Look at the messages that I sent to you in Zoom. The answers are there. Yes, Mai.
Yes.
What's your answer in number 2? What is the definition of become better?
Become better.
Yes, Mai, what is your answer?
Teacher, I can know six is o'clock.
What do you mean
It's a
o'clock?
clock.
What?
I know number six.
Number six. Very good. So what's number six? Able to stay calm and not angry, especially when something takes a long time. So what word can you match with number six?
Clock. I
What is
think
that?
clock. Clock.
Clock? Are you sure? So we only have only child. I'm into making progress, patient, code, and taking part. Look at the chat box. I sent you a message. I sent you a what do you call that one? I sent you a picture so you can actually get your answers from the chat box.
I don't know.
You don't
Right.
know? It's actually patient. Okay, let's go
I,
back to the word in here. So which one? Patient. That means to remain calm even though that you are in a very difficult situation. So
Patient.
you are a patient person like that. Okay, now what about number two? Become better.
Become better.
Yeah, become better.
Become better way.
Do you have any idea, Sarah?
Become
Become better.
better.
Do you have any idea?
I think teacher can you
Become better.
tell um it's a making program.
Very good. That's right, Mai. Become better means making progress. Okay. Now, what about number three, right? Oh, someone with no brothers or sisters. Someone with no brothers or sisters,
Only
your
one.
turn.
Only child.
Yes, only child. You're getting smarter and smarter, Mai. Now, your turn, Sarah. Four, write computer programs. What's your answer? Yes, Sarah? Or Mai? Any answer with number four?
Race.
Raise. You sure with that? Look, there's no raise in here. We only have taking part, code. I'm into only child and making progress. So which one is your answer? Yes, Mai and Sarah?
God.
Code. Very good. Code is the answer. Okay, now last one. Oh, be very interested in something. What's your answer?
Be very interested in something. Okay. Can you tell?
Be very interested in something.
Uh, it is
Okay,
into
taking part.
very
I'm into very good. Okay, very interested in something that's I'm into. And lastly, that's able to stay calm, that's patient. Okay, so thank you so much for joining our class tonight, Sarah and Mai. I hope you learned something and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.